Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, we will be discussing about one of the PSU sector companies, or you can say a company which is like partially owned by Government of India and also a private owned company. They have declared a bonus recently, and what exactly bonus is, I have always, if you look into the older videos of my channel, you will get a lot of videos on various corporate actions. Just search for bonus videos on Aarti Drugs, which was a massive hit, and people have liked that video much. If you look into those, I have a playlist on bonus as well. You can go and check that. You will have end-to-end concept clear on that. I always cover most of the corporate actions that is happening: bonus, split, dividend, OFS, rights, any corporate actions that happens. So in today's video, we would be discussing about a company which has recently given bonus. The bonus ratio, as you have already seen on the screen, is 1:1. So what does that bonus mean? What does 1:1 bonus means, and how much time does approximately the bonus process takes place? How much time it takes to get executed? And the most important thing, what is the value of record date, and what is the value that is going to happen, or what is the value at which it will trade on the record date? So record date, when it is, and all those queries. So these are the basic things that I'm going to cover, and the most important thing which I'm covering at the last of the video, so stay tuned. That is basically a calculation to calculate how many shares you will be getting. बिकॉज ये एक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, लोगों के मन में आता है कि सर बोनस तो डिक्लेयर हो गया, कितने बोनस हमें मिलेंगे, कितने शेयर्स हमें मिलेंगे, कितने शेयर्स हमारे अकाउंट में क्रेडिट होंगे. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट आई विल ट्राई टू कवर. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आई विल बी trying to cover as much as possible in this video. So first of all, friends, what is 1:1 bonus? So 1:1 bonus means, if you start reading, always read it from the left. So 1:1 bonus means एक के साथ एक, 1:1. So you get one share free of cost at for every share that you hold. So if you have one share, you get one shares. If you have 10 shares, you get 10 shares. If you have 100 shares, you get 100 shares. So exactly the number of shares that you already have, after bonus, the number of shares will be doubled. It's exactly doubles. So that is how 1:1 bonus is. Now, why I said it is free? Because for that you are not paying any money. You are not paying a single penny for getting those free shares. अगर आपका शेयर अकाउंट में, डीपी अकाउंट में है, एंड टिल द रिकॉर्ड डेट, कंपनी जब भी रिकॉर्ड डेट डिक्लेयर करती है, रिकॉर्ड डेट तक अगर आपने शेयर्स होल्ड करके रखे हैं, सो फॉर एवरी शेयर दैट यू आर होल्डिंग, you will be getting another share free of cost. Now the second question that I said is, what is the time period that generally takes to execute this bonus? So any corporate action, if you look into the older ones, split, dividend, then you have rights, any corporate action in general, as per SEBI rule, there is a time period of 2 months. So whenever a company declares any corporate action, there is a 2-month period. In that 2-month period, there is a ballot voting system. During that time, all the existing shareholders do a voting that हाँ मुझे मैं राजी हूँ इसके लिए, I give a nod for that. People can approve it, reject it, and as per the outcome of the जो उनका बोर्ड का जो भी बैलेट सिस्टम होता है, उनका जो भी वोटिंग का रिजल्ट होता है, ऑन बेसिस ऑफ दैट वोटिंग it is decided whether that corporate action is going to take place. Ideally it is a 2 months period. So अगर इस कंपनी ने अपना बोनस डिक्लेयर किया है, तो ये बोनस आपको एग्जीक्यूट होता दिखेगा एटलीस्ट अब से लेके 2 महीने बाद. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ रिकॉर्ड डेट? अब रिकॉर्ड डेट का क्या मतलब है? रिकॉर्ड डेट से रिलेटेड जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, अगर आप स्क्रीन पे देखो, आपको दिख रहा होगा कि मैंने ऑलरेडी जिस कंपनी के बारे में डिस्कस किया है, अभी तक मैंने कंपनी का नाम नहीं बताया है. ऑब्वियसली आप समझ गए होंगे किस कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. जो कंपनी है वो है इरकॉन इंटरनेशनल, इसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. 1:1 का शेयर उसने डिसाइड किया है. अभी तक रिकॉर्ड डेट कंपनी ने तय नहीं किया है, क्योंकि रिकॉर्ड डेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. रिकॉर्ड डेट से पता चलता है कि कौन कौन लोग है जो एलिजिबल होने वाले हैं, हाउ मेनी पीपल विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर दैट शेयर्स. So we'll be talking about record date in details, and I'll also make a follow-up video whenever the company's actual bonus gets executed. Now the third question that I've said, what is the price that is expected? So friends, whenever the bonus is executed, the day when the bonus is executed, you will see that share price is trading at half price, because 1:1 का bonus है. अब अगर आपको एक शेयर फ्री मिल रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कंपनी आपको फ्री में शेयर बांट रही है. प्राइस ऑल्सो गेट्स एडजस्टेड। अगर आपका एक शेयर 100 रुपये का है, आपको बोनस में एक के साथ एक फ्री मिल रहा है, तो अभी आपके पास 2 शेयर्स तो हो ही जाएंगे, लेकिन जो प्राइस है शेयर का वो आपका 100 नहीं रहेगा, वो 50 हो जाएगा, तो इट ऑल्सो गेट्स हाफ। तो अगर आप स्क्रीन पे देखो, एक मैंने बहुत बढ़िया से एक्सेल शीट बनाया है, पूरा आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो आप देख सकते हो, जैसा मैंने बताया कि रेशियो आप देख रहे हो, जैसा यहाँ पे 1:1 का रेशियो है। अगर हम मल्टीप्लायर की बात करें तो इजी कैलकुलेशन है, जितना भी रेशियो हो उसको ऐड कर लो। तो 1:1 है, तो मल्टीप्लायर मेरा बन जाता है 2। ठीक है, अभी बोनस बिफोर बोनस शेयर्स, अभी जो इरकॉन इंटरनेशनल का प्राइस है दैट इज 90 रुपीज। एट 90 रुपीज इट इज ट्रेडिंग। सो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स, एज्यूमिंग यू हैव 100 शेयर्स, सो द इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट यू हैव बिफोर बोनस इज 9,000 रुपीज, बिकॉज यू हैव 100 shares at 90 rupees current market price, so 9,000 investment. Now face value of the company is 2 rupees. What does that mean? So whenever a company trades, there is a face value also associated with it. So when a company splits, the face value also splits, but when it is a bonus, face value do not split, face value remains same. That means that the dividend potential, that the dividend that the company gives you remains same. You don't get reduced dividend. If you look into the screen, you will get an idea. So face value before bonus was 2 rupees. So the dividend that you would be getting is, because you have 100 shares, for every share you get 2 rupees bonus, so 100 into 2 is 200 rupees. So your bonus is intact, your dividend is intact, you get 200 rupees dividend before bonus. Now look into the scenario what happens after bonus. After bonus is executed, because it's 1:1, so the share price reduces from 90 to 45, हाफ हो जाता है शेयर का प्राइस, बट नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स आपके डबल हो जाएंगे। तो पहले नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स थे 100, अभी नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स बन जा रहे हैं 200, ये सोच के रखिए। लेकिन इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट देखिए, द इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट स्टिल रिमेन्स 9,000। पहले भी 9,000 था, अभी भी 9,000 है, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, जस्ट आपके शेयर्स डबल हो गए, आपका प्राइस हाफ हो गया, इसी तरह से करेक्शन हो गया। बट बिकॉज योर शेयर्स गॉट डबल्ड एंड बिकॉज इट इज नॉट स्प्लिट इट्स बोनस, सो फेस वैल्यू ऑल्सो रिमेन सेम। So after your bonus, what is the dividend that you get? Now you have actually 200 shares and still you get the same dividend, that is 2 rupees per share. So your dividend amount comes down to 400 rupees. So friends, बोनस से पहले जहां आपको सेम इन्वेस्टमेंट में 200 रुपए मिल रहे थे, अभी बोनस के बाद सेम इन्वेस्टमेंट में आपको 400 रुपए मिल रहे हैं। सो क्लियर कट, दिस इज अ विन विन कंडीशन। सो दैट इज वाई इट्स ऑलवेज market always gives a thumbs up whenever a company declares its bonus. So friends, I hope I have been able to give you an idea that Ircon International has come up with bonus. 1:1 is the bonus, when is the record date, after record date what will be the price, and I have given you a detailed explanation how to calculate number of shares that your account will have. Still, if you have any queries, do put your comments. I always reply to 100% of my comments, and if you have liked this content, सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी, keep supporting the channel, do subscribe and share it with your friends, colleagues as far as possible, so that I also gain some subscriptions in my channel, because channel का growth definitely एक मोटो है। मैं अपने तरफ से कोशिश करता हूँ आपको relatable content ला के देता हूँ, but in return what I'm expecting is a subscription from my side. Also friends, I have my Twitter, Telegram links in description. If you want, you can follow me on social network. My private channel is there, which is not public obviously. If you are interested to put in some real money every day on a daily basis, do some trading, do some positional trade, do some swing trade, then you can ping me on the given number. I'll give you more details, and you can always connect with my private group, my personal group, so that you actually know what exactly I am investing, what are the shares I am buying, what are the shares I'm selling, what are the investments I'm doing. It's a personal thing, so if you want, I can share it, but again that's a private thing. So given number is there, just WhatsApp me and I'll share more details. Thank you so much, and I hope I'll be back with something informational as soon as possible, and you have a lovely day ahead. Thank you so much.